Well, it's about 11 o'clock at night, and I do believe it's dark enough to do what I want to do. I guess pitch black is dark enough, isn't it? Black as molasses. Let's, step away from the light. That's what you see if you step away from the light. But I can see fine here. I got plenty of light. 2 lanterns outside and a little fire. And got my light in here. It's a drop light. And I got a cord running down to power supply right there. Just the little one. I got the big one in the back. I haven't even touched it yet. But what I wanted to show you guys, every now and then, we'll get an email from, a company that has something that they want us to try out and, just see what we think. Now, sometimes it's weird stuff, okay? Sometimes it's cosmetics or, it's weird stuff. Sometimes it really is software and wallets that will tell you where it's at and things like that. A Bluetooth wallet, apparently, that will, I don't know how it works. Anyway, what I've got here, this is cool. We got an email about this. This is night vision binoculars. Okay. Yeah, we're getting interesting now, ain't we? It's night vision binoculars, but it also records. It can record what it sees. It doesn't do audio, but, I didn't get that at first, and it dawned on me, duh, binoculars, it's distance. You can't record from a distance, duh. So, yeah, anyway. It's made by, as you can see, it's called a company called GT Media. And, yeah, it looks really cool. You can just use it like regular binoculars, and it uses batteries. But for what I'm going to be using it for, I didn't get any batteries, but that's okay. I can wire. I just used a USB directly, power it that way, no problem. And I want to put it on a little tripod so I can get, a really good stable image and just see just how well, let's see what it's got, see what it can do. So I guess, let me step over into the dark. And I got a little flashlight in my pocket. You still got to watch what you're doing. There are still snakes, at night. All right. Oh, power packet normal. There we go. Cool. Okay. I think I remember where the buttons are. We'll see, won't we? Alright. That's the zoom. And, oh, hello. There we go. Look at that. That is total darkness. And that thing sees just fine. Wow. So there's absolutely no light pollution at all. That's better. Yeah. Wow. That is amazing. Look at that. I don't know how well you guys can see that. But this thing sees it just fine. Wow. How do you record? Seems to work pretty good, doesn't it? Well, if I don't knock it over. Wow, it zooms right in, doesn't it? That is total pitch black. That is cool. And if you have a card, you can record. That is really cool. I like that. I can see where that could come in handy. Spying situations at nighttime. From a distance, night vision binoculars. That is really cool. They're very reasonable too. These were only $89. That's really cool for that kind of money. And it's got a focus right here to focus it. But it's just my first time playing with it. You know, just seeing how well it does. Interesting little toy. Very cool. Very cool. But like I said, you can put regular batteries in it and just use it like regular binoculars with the sling. You know, just throw it around your neck and take off. But for what we were doing, I knew I was going to be, you know, videoing. I figured it'd probably be better to have it on a tripod, you know, so I could get back here and actually look into the little viewfinder and see what's going on. But that's really cool. It's even got a little screen. You know, you can check out your video. Amazing little gadgets they can make these days, isn't it? This one is the N2 night vision. That is wild.